Hip arthroplasty. The story of hip arthroplasty or hip replacement starts certainly in English-speaking world with Sir John Charnley. And here he is with a stem, 22mm head, banana-shaped stem. Here's a longer one for revision situations. Here's one that's actually broken. It's quite unusual. A contemporary of his was a German, Muller. Here it is, 32mm head, again broken. And here it is with the cement mantle. When you do a revision, you can lift that out. So between the cement and the bone, just lift it out. Here's another Muller with the cement around the acetabular component. Here's a special cage for the acetabulum. Here's an interesting one. This is a Russian type hip replacement. It is non-cemented and it was a constraint. The head and the cup were held together. Here's a modern version, S-ROM. See, plastic insert, you could dial it around different amounts of version. And the long stem, you get different version on that as well for the femoral component. Here's an American Harris cup, put screws in it, multiple positions. Here's an Italian one, isoelastic Bombelli, plastic, you see. Had ceramic coating here on the acetabular component, did well there, but not so good down here on the femoral component, loosened up readily. So let's put it all together. It started off with the Jude brothers, French, the plastic head, little stem, tend to loosen up quickly. The great Ostermoor from the US, it's used for unipolar, bipolar, still to this day, but much less so. Here's a Charnley hip replacement, see a little head, plastic insert, still got cement. These actually survived 30 years and now more modern ones, non-cemented implants. That's the development of hip replacement over the last 50 years.